M's Quilts and M's scrap bag, and I've been playing with crumb fabric again. It's just so fun to play with those little pieces. And I came up with these fun jumbo half square triangles. Let me show you how. Remember, if you like my videos, to like and subscribe. All right, let's get started. To do your jumbo half square triangle with crumb fabric, you're going to want some crumb fabric. You're going to want it to be at least 7.5 by 7.5. And I'm using the AccuQuilt Go. You can just cut your 7-inch square and draw your diagonal line on the background fabric and sew on either side. But this is just faster, easier, and a lot more fun. This is from my cube, my 12-inch cube. This will make my 6.5-inch half square triangle. So I'm going to put my fabric on here. I'm kind of filling so that I make sure that I have some of this fabric and I'm not right at the seam when I cut it. And then I'm going to put my background on. I found I can do 2 layers of crumb fabric and double my background to get 4. For right now, I'm just going to show you how, and we'll get 2 half square triangles from this. The other way you would get 4, obviously, since you're doubling. We're going to put that on, and we're going to put our shield on here, and then we're just going to send that through our AccuQuilt Go. Slide that off. Then we can sew these together and these together, and that will give you these cute jumbo half square triangles. You can do anything that you would do with half square triangles, so just rinse and repeat. Make us a giant pinwheel or anything else. So have fun. Thanks for watching. Remember, if you want more ways to up-level your scraps, remember to join Aunt M's Sew Along Adventure. We'll look for you on the inside. See you. Bye.